Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Memory Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am using the mystery kit from SPC. I think this was the March mystery kit. I need to go back and check, but I will put the correct month in the title, but I'm pretty sure it's March of 2021. I really loved this kit. I love the colors of it. I thought it was super pretty just because it was like really neutral and it had like the pops of green. I love the bottom washi. Terrazzo is like my favorite at the moment. So I actually use Terrazzo full box underlays. They came out so good. I'm so happy with the way this spread turned out. I think it's stunning. I really love it. I used silver foil because it did come with the silver bundle. I really didn't use most of it. But I used just like silver stickers that were in my collection, I think. No, I made every single script that's in here. So all the scripts that will be in this spread are the ones that I have made myself. I just used a whole bunch of character stickers. I don't think I used any foil from any other shop. So here I'm just showing you like what the underlays look like. Like I said, I really love the way these turned out. And then I did use like the SPC bow 15mm bottom washi and the like confetti one. And then for the date numbers, I used some date numbers from SPC again. And I think that was it. I think everything. Oh, and then the header overlays are also from SPC. The quote box that I used is actually one I made myself. It says, "Meet me at the farmer's market." I think it came out so cute. I will show you guys like a close-up of it in this plan with me, like once I put it down. But I'm like really proud of myself that I made my first like full box quote full box overlay. So that will be like in the quote, like up in the top. You'll see here in a moment. But here I am just finishing up the sidebar. I did do like a floating sidebar where I just put like header underlays or overlays in the middle of like each box. I just really like the way it turned out, so I'm so excited for you guys to see this one, and I'm really excited to like post pictures of it too. So here is where I'm putting the quote. Oh, I thought I did like a close-up. I guess I didn't, but you can kind of see it here. So that's what that looks like. And then I did use like extenders, but only, oh yeah, and I used it on Tuesday too, but just like box extenders. I didn't use like a full box extender at all. And I really like the way this like turned out. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with the day by day. First thing I'm marking on Monday is that it was the first day of camp. It was spring camp for the school I worked at in Arizona, and I used Annie Modi from the Coffee Monsters Co. with like a flower headband. I thought that was really cute. I never really used that sticker sheet because I don't know, but I thought it like worked out perfectly for marking the first day of camp. And then I also called my dad this day. That phone is from Style Planner. The next thing I am marking is that I edited a plan with me. I used a munchkin to mark that. And then underneath that, I used a little thing to mark that I got Chipotle. Yeah, I was going to say I ended up changing that and putting a little thing box there. And then I think this day, oh no. So I did my taxes this day, or my dad did my taxes this day. He did like my federal and my California state taxes. I still have not done my Arizona state taxes. I like attempted to do it, but it didn't go through. I don't know. I'm having difficulties because I have to file taxes for 2 separate states, and it won't allow me to do it for Arizona because I've already technically filed taxes for California. I don't know, I'm very confused, but I'm late on doing my taxes for Arizona. I don't owe money, so my dad said it wasn't going to be a big deal. Since I don't owe money, I'm not going to be like penalized. It's just like I'm missing out on a good chunk of money I'll get back because like I said, I did like a rough draft of it and I was getting back a good amount of money. So still need to do that, but I did my California and federal taxes this day. Also this day we had I think it was Best Buy people. Yeah, like the Best Buy people come and fix our washer finally. It was due to all of the Pence hair. that was like clogging up our drain. So that's what it was, and he showed me like how to fix it in the future, and it was a crap ton of hair. It was a lot. And I had just been like washing all of their stuff, the dog stuff, and it was just a lot of dog buildup. So now I know. And I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark that. It was also a rainy day this day. I used a Paper Milk raining sticker to mark that, and then we watched Iron Man 3. Moving on into Tuesday, I had been doing a whole bunch of laundry, and I finally got to change her sheets because the washer was not working, and the sheets really needed to be changed. So finally did that and washed them. I also had a really long nap. I used a Paper and Milk Maru to mark that. And then, again, just marking that I did a bunch of laundry this day. That is a sticker from Stick with the Plan Co. I'm putting in another, like, box extender. And then I'm marking that I had a meeting this day. I had a bunch of meetings. Maybe it was this week. I feel like I marked, like, meetings a whole bunch. Like, I know last Plan With Me I had a meeting. And then I have another one here. And there might be another one next week. I can't remember. But I just remember, like, using that. Oh, I wasn't a meeting. Well, kind of was a meeting. I was shadowing another educator that needed, like, support. So I was helping her, like, just giving her tips on, like, how to improve. So I had a shadowing session this day. I also... What is that noise? Oh, no. There's yard work going on. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear that. That's really annoying. Ugh. Okay, I'm just going to finish this day, and then if it's still going on, I will have to do the rest of this voiceover later. Oh my god, that's really annoying. Okay, so then I had a crime binge this day as well. I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark that. I also was a little bit salty this day. I used a Once More with Love Munchkin to mark that. I got our new rotations for Lulu, which was not the schedule I picked. It was, oh my god, that's really annoying. Why are the gardeners here? It's super late. It's almost 4 o'clock. We got our new rotations. It was not the schedule I wanted, but it was my second choice. And after having a meeting with my team lead, she's like, you got like the best schedule because everyone else got their last choice. And we had like up to 5 different choices to pick, like our top 5. And I got our second one, which was pretty good. She's like, that's even higher than what she got, just because it was based on like how long you've been there along with like how well you're doing. And I do pretty well. I mean, that's why I got a pretty good rotation, but it was not my favorite. Anyway, so I was not happy with that. I also did dishes that day, and I had a brown sugar latte to end my night, which is so weird. I had coffee at night. All right, I'm going to get started on Wednesday in a moment once these gardeners are done. All right, I am back. I don't know why they came so late. Okay, so moving on into Wednesday. Started my day with making a sandwich in the afternoon. It definitely didn't like wake up to make a sandwich. A paper shower sticker for the sandwich. I was also super tired this day after work. I used a munchkin to mark that. And then I called Gabby. I used a phone from Style Planner. I also had a resilience meeting. Oh, so here's my other meeting. It was just like an hour of like just breathing and like yoga and just like relaxation. So it's really cool that they like set a time, an hour for us to do this. I did go to a couple of them, but just in our workday, in the middle of the workday, take that meeting and just an hour of relaxation, because you kind of need it when you work with like guests that are, I don't know, that aren't the nicest sometimes, which, I mean, it's in any job you do. And then we also had sushi this night for dinner. I'd been craving sushi, and Dean finally was like, let's go pick up sushi. So he went and picked it up, and it just like, it was great. It was what I needed. And then I also tidied up a bit after work. Moving on into Thursday, I started my day with doing some meal prepping. I just cooked a bunch of chicken in my air fryer. I love just doing that. I hate cleaning the air fryer, so I don't like do it very often. But when I do, I like try and cook a big like bulk of like usually just chicken. And then I also went to Dunkin' after work this day and got a nice little iced coffee. The Dunkin' sticker is from Fox and Pip, and then the meal prep sticker is from GP Studio. She's finally open now. I posted it back when she had opened. I think I've already talked about it in a Plan With Me before, but her shop is back and running and open to shop. And she doesn't have too much stuff in there, but she does have a few new like doodles, so those are really cool. I want to get my hands on those once all this moving stuff is done and I can finally buy stickers again. And then I also took a quick little cat nap. It's so weird, like I've been doing this lately, just taking like super short naps before work, like 20-minute naps, and I'm like feeling amazing after. Usually I like taking like long few hour naps, but it never helps. So I took like a 20-minute nap and I felt great after that. And then I also cleaned my diffusers. I used another Fox and Pip sticker for that. And I got my bonus this day. This was like the largest bonus I ever got. The next bonus was actually even bigger. But we get bonuses based on how well we do during that that month, or that, I think it's like a period, like a time period, or like a monthly period. So yeah, it was just like, it was a lot. It was like a whole nother paycheck. So that was really, really nice. I don't think I got my bonus this day, but I think my team lead had like told me about it, like what my bonus was going to be at, and I was like, holy moly. So that was really exciting. And then I ended my night with washing my hair. Moving on into Thursday or Friday, we had no kiddos this day. We were still in camp, but we didn't have any kids my whole shift I was there, and I couldn't leave early because my site supervisor was gone, so I couldn't leave. There was another teacher there with me, but she was like a sub, so I couldn't just like leave her there. So that kind of sucked. I was just kind of sitting there for 3 hours doing nothing. But I wanted to mark that, and I used a Papershire Schoolhouse. It was also another rainy day this day. That sticker is from Wonton and a Million. I came home and made some brunch, some breakfast sandwiches, which is like my go-to, with my favorite like garlic focaccia bread from Trader Joe's. And I just do a sunny side up egg, bacon, cheese, and Dean likes avocado in his. I don't really like avocado, but it's so good. It's so good. And I also made salmon for dinner this night. I think it was still Lent. I'm pretty sure it's still Lent, so I couldn't eat meat that day. So I don't think I had bacon in my sandwich then, because had Easter happened? No, Easter hadn't happened yet, so definitely didn't have meat yet. And then I also got some Happy Mail, and I was just in my feelings this day. So the Happy Mail girl is from Whimsical Cat Studio, and the anxiety type girl, she is from Fox and Cactus. Moving on into Saturday, I am marking that I slept in. I had the day off this day, maybe? No, I did not. I did not have the day off. I slept in. That girl is from Fox and Pip. And then I was just really sleepy this day, even though I had slept in. I used an emoji to mark that from the Coffee Monsters Co. I'm just like moving some things around here. And then down below that, oh yeah, everything was like super crooked. Down below that, I'm using a sticker from GP Studio to mark that I had folded some laundry. I know I'm not the only one, but I just do a whole bunch of laundry at once and then I never fold it because I hate folding laundry. And I don't want Dean to do it because I don't want him to do it wrong. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can hear my dad. He's watching the Giants game and they're playing the Dodgers. So any little thing is very exciting because Dodgers suck. Anyway, moving on into the later part of Saturday. Dean and I had a really good talk. I used a Papershire couple to mark that. And I had a really late night. So I did not work on Sunday. So I spent a really long night doing probably like planner stuff. I can't remember exactly. But that Night Owl coffee mug, I think I even had a cup of coffee to like make sure I was like able to work through everything through the whole night, is from Fox and Pip. Moving on into Sunday, it was my day off, so I slept in. And I used an emoji to mark that from the Coffee Monsters Co. I also went on a run this day. This may have been the last time I went on a run. I might have gone one other time, but I think that may have been the last time I went on a run. And now that we're home, I should be running more because the weather is actually, I can actually run in this weather. I just need to do that. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I don't know. Tomorrow never comes. So I used an Wonton Million sticker to mark my run. I just went on a quick like 3-mile run. It was still super hot already, but I did it. And then I also used a paper and milk sticker to mark that I did a quick little fries run just to go get a couple groceries. And then later on Sunday, I made some tacos for dinner. I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark that. I also pulled some stickers for some upcoming Plan With Me's. I used an Emily sticker from SPC to mark that. I think she's just like pulling stickers for like orders, but I like using that, and I like using Emily stickers, so that's why I used it. And then we ended our night with watching Guardians of the Galaxy. So yeah, that is going to complete this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are looking forward to all the new Plan With Me's coming up here. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below if I forgot to mention anything, or if you're curious about anything I may have forgotten, or to just say hello. I've been keeping up with my comments, I feel like, so I really appreciate it when you guys do reach out and like just comment on my videos, so thank you. But other than that, I'm just going to finish putting down this last sticker, and then I'm just going to zoom out, put it in my planner. Oh, I forgot to mention at the beginning. I think I forgot to mention it in my previous video too. But I used the Caress Press inserts, and then the planner I use is just a regular A5. It's not an A5 wide, but it's a regular A5 from the Foxy Fix. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.